If you've ever thrown away freezer-burn meat, stale snacks, or leftovers that spoiled too quickly, a vacuum sealer might be one of the smartest kitchen appliances you can buy. By removing air before sealing, these machines help keep food fresher for longer, reduce food waste, and make it much easier to buy groceries in bulk or prepare meals ahead of time. But not every vacuum sealer performs the same. Some are designed for occasional home use, while others offer stronger suction, faster sealing, and extra features for serious meal preppers or sous vide cooking. Choosing the right one depends on how often you'll use it and what types of food you typically seal. For this list, we compared sealing performance, ease of use, build quality, customer feedback, versatility, and overall value to find 5 vacuum sealers that are genuinely worth buying. Whether you're preserving fresh produce, sealing meats for the freezer, or preparing food for sous vide cooking, there's an option here for you. Let's get started. Starting our list is the Megawise vacuum sealer, an excellent budget-friendly machine that's perfect for first-time buyers or anyone looking for an affordable way to keep food fresh longer. Its one-touch operation makes sealing food quick and straightforward, while the compact design takes up very little counter or storage space. Buyers appreciate its strong suction for everyday food storage, and it works well for sealing meats, vegetables, snacks, and leftovers. It's also easy to clean and simple enough for beginners to use, without a learning curve. The biggest drawback is that it's not designed for heavy-duty, continuous use. If you regularly seal large batches of food after warehouse shopping trips or hunting seasons, you may find yourself wanting a more powerful machine. It also offers fewer customization options than premium models. Still, for its affordable price and dependable everyday performance, the Megawise vacuum sealer is an excellent entry-level choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Potain Precision Vacuum Sealer, a feature-rich machine that delivers impressive performance at a competitive price. It's designed for households that want more control over the sealing process without stepping into the premium price range. It offers multiple sealing modes for dry and moist foods, allowing you to seal everything from fresh vegetables and meats to delicate baked goods with confidence. Buyers frequently praise its strong suction power, reliable seals, and intuitive controls. Many also appreciate the starter bag roll and accessories that are included, making it ready to use right out of the box. The biggest downside is that it has more controls than basic vacuum sealers, so it may take a little time to become familiar with all of its functions. It's also slightly larger than compact entry-level models. However, if you're looking for an excellent balance of features, performance, and value, the Potain Precision Vacuum Sealer is an outstanding choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the FoodSaver V4400 Vacuum Sealer, one of the most recognizable names in food preservation. FoodSaver has built a strong reputation over the years, and this model continues to be a favorite among families, meal preppers, and anyone who regularly stores food in the freezer. One of its standout features is the automatic bag detection system. Simply place the bag in the machine, and it automatically begins the sealing process, making it incredibly convenient to use. It also includes separate settings for moist and dry foods, helping create stronger seals whether you're preserving fresh meats, vegetables, or leftovers. Buyers consistently praise its ease of use, reliable performance, and ability to significantly reduce freezer burn. The biggest drawback is that it can be a little bulkier than some competing models, so you'll need enough counter or storage space. Replacement bags can also add to the long-term cost if you vacuum seal food frequently. Even with those considerations, the FoodSaver V4400 remains one of the most dependable and user-friendly vacuum sealers available, making it an excellent choice for most households. Coming in at number 2 is the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, a powerful machine that's especially popular among serious home cooks and sous vide enthusiasts. If you vacuum seal food regularly, this model is built to handle heavy use while consistently delivering strong, reliable seals. It offers impressive suction power, multiple sealing modes, and a double seal feature for extra security when sealing moist foods. Buyers frequently mention that it performs exceptionally well with meats, marinades, bulk food storage, and long-term freezer preservation. Its built-in bag storage and cutter also make preparing custom bag sizes quick and convenient. The biggest downside is the price. It's more expensive than many entry-level vacuum sealers, and its larger size means it takes up more storage space. Casual users who only vacuum seal occasionally may not need all of its advanced capabilities. However, for frequent use, meal prepping, or sous vide cooking, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro delivers outstanding performance and durability that justify the extra investment. Taking our top spot is the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer, a model that consistently earns praise for its powerful suction, dependable performance, and excellent overall value. It offers many of the features found on premium machines while remaining more affordable than some high-end competitors. Its strong vacuum pump provides excellent sealing performance, helping keep food fresher for longer while reducing freezer burn. The multiple sealing settings allow you to work with both dry and moist foods, and the double heat seal adds extra protection when preserving liquids or marinated foods. Buyers consistently praise its reliability, strong suction power, and ability to handle large batches of food without struggling. The biggest drawback is that it isn't quite as compact as some smaller vacuum sealers, so it does require a bit more storage space. It can also be slightly louder during operation compared to certain premium models. Even with those minor drawbacks, the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer delivers the best overall combination of performance, versatility, reliability, and value. If you're looking for the best vacuum sealer for most households, this is our top recommendation. The best vacuum sealer depends on how often you plan to use it and what types of food you typically preserve. The Megawise is an excellent entry-level option, while the Potain offers impressive features and value. The FoodSaver V4400 stands out for its convenience, and the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro is a fantastic choice for serious meal preppers and sous vide enthusiasts. But if you're looking for the best overall balance of power, reliability, versatility, and long-term value, the Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer takes the top spot. You'll find links to all the vacuum sealers featured in this video in the description below. If you decide to purchase through those links, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Our recommendations are based on product features, expert evaluations, and customer feedback to help you make a more informed buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides every week.